What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, QQQ, and the S&P 500. You guys really, one of you really doesn't like the QQQ for whatever reason. I think it's totally fine. It's just a high-tech kind of fund here, although I have been looking at some other ones here. But, please elaborate as to more of why you don't like QQQ so I can understand it, because I don't think there's anything wrong with it. And when you guys just say, oh, it's bad, it's not an acceptable answer. You have to explain your work like in school. So I would appreciate that. Otherwise, we are going to be looking at Solana here, which is still consolidating across, very similar to like what we did in the past here. Beautifully trading sideways. This is good news. XRP doing a similar notion. Ethereum just tanking, which is insane, falling to the downside here to support. Bitcoin consolidating as well, hit some sort of support right here. And then we have QQQ, which hit a bottom, and the stock market, which hit a bottom and saw a major rebound here. Let's just extend this a hair. So this is going to be an interesting one to look at. I'm very excited with the results of these. I think we're going to start to rebound and rally, which would be great news if you ask me. So we shall see. Let's just extend this up for right here. But yeah, we have a lot to look at, a lot to go over in today's video. Lots of consolidation for, the ending of this weekend. Today's Sunday, so we'll see. Stock market is closed, so we're kind of taking it easy today, this weekend here. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is doing a deposit and trade reward up to $11,000, which is actually incredibly high for this promo. They've never offered this in the past. It was usually up to $8,100, but the way they're doing this is they've set the deposit bonus extremely low and the volume a little bit higher than usual. So you can take advantage and earn free bonus cryptocurrency. They also have, where is it? Let me go over to it. Here we go in the reward center. Another way of receiving or getting some free bonus crypto where you can earn up to 8K, 8,100 in bonus crypto with other sort of deposit and trading limits here. So there's tons of options. Make sure to check them out down in the description below. But diving into today's video, you can see, starting with yesterday, basically us figuring out, like, I have great news in regards to possible consolidation, like bottoms over. And same thing here, saying yesterday, 2 days ago, this determines everything. We are falling. We hit supports. Where do we go is the question now. Now we need to really kind of bunker down and figure out what exactly is going on here. And you can see we have consolidated this weekend. This is very common. It's very normal. The past week we are down 10% on Bitcoin, 20% ETH, 12.5 XRP, 16% Solana. All these cryptos are tanking. However, 24 hours, we are consolidating. Big XRP's up a little bit. Look at the past, like since Friday night into today, sideways trading. So our XRP, a little bit movement up, but a lot of these cryptos not really seeing much movement. 22 in the fear and greed index. Very nice position we're in. I do believe there's a big possibility of seeing reversal. We're seeing a small reversal right now on XRP, but you can see the correction was no surprise on XRP. Anybody that was caught off guard by this is not doing their homework or their research and is not paying attention to these videos. We had a beautiful flagpole up, a beautiful symmetrical triangle filling in the gap, a beautiful bull flag here. In this symmetrical triangle inside the bull flag, we confirmed closure below support and dumped. Here's number 2, beautiful symmetrical triangle consolidation, closed below support and dumped. Found support on bottom, holding on a moving average for dear life, and probably going to consolidate across, which is good news. As we fill this in, we're looking for retest of major yellow resistance. As we hit this, we need to determine if we're going to reject and fall top over through support, or if we're going to confirm closure above this yellow resistance, which is what we're all patiently waiting for. As we near it oversold, you can see on green band on RSI, we're looking for closure above price ceiling, this downtrend, this resistance, and for us to then eventually long this to the upside here. So that's what I'm waiting for patiently. That's what we're looking for, and it's only a matter of time before it does happen. So keep your eyes peeled on the XRP chart here. Oh, wow, we're actually even seeing movement up as I speak. That's pretty crazy. But again, it's Sunday. It doesn't matter. Even with this little reversal that we're having right now, we need to break and confirm a daily closure above this resistance, maybe even a 4-hour closure. So conservatively, wait for us to break this yellow. I mean, we can hit this and then dump. So don't let it fool you. But it's really nice to see that XRP is really starting to gain some volume, up 5%. I think XRP for right now is up, what is it? I don't even know what it's saying. We're up by 11. Yeah, 11.42% for the day, which is insane. Huge run to the upside here, rebound, which is exactly what we figured would happen here. We just keep going higher and higher. But what we're looking for is a closure above this resistance here, and that would be that determining buying opportunity. Obviously, like I said, you can get 8,100 on BYDFI's bonus crypto and 11K on their bonus crypto right here. If I move over to the demo trading account, or sorry, to the derivatives trading account, they have XRP to leverage trade here. So you can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop loss, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, including XRP to leverage trade, which makes them so unique. I mean, check this out. I'm even seeing this downtrend, this problem zone right here. Look at that. As we extend that down, we can maybe do something with this. Check that out. We're going to delete these resistances here and look at the bull flag. This is scary. Look at the resistance. So you can see why I'm saying don't really buy in just yet. You might get screwed. Wait for closure above here for us to really confirm with these wicks right here. And then we can say, oh, we broke above it. Time to buy in. Lots of resistance being retested right here. So don't really take advantage of it just yet. Anywho, aside from this on BYDFI, I do want to show you I showed you the reward center. I want to show you demo trading account. This gives you 50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how the exchange works, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live trading account, which is epic here. So practice your skills. You know, if you can make 10 consecutive trades in a row positive in the green, you probably have what it takes to trade with real crypto or real bonus crypto. But if you're failing and every single trade is in the red, that's your warning. Maybe you shouldn't be, using the live trading account. But aside from XRP and XRP exploding at BYDFI here, Solana looks really good too. Wow, we actually all look really good. There can be some good things. As I said, what goes down must come up and vice versa here. We have consolidated across, and we are at this moment battling the price ceiling, a rejection resistance that we haven't been able to break through since its inception in January here, January 19th of 2025. It has done nothing but spiral us downwards here consistently. And now we are yet again coming back up to battle it and retest it again. So if we close below here, we could topple over and we can enter a short. If we confirm closure tonight in 8.5 hours above it, we'll buy in and we'll long. It's very simple stuff, guys. Just pay close attention to see where these movements are. You can see Ethereum looks like it's hit a bottom too, which is very exciting. Not only are we oversold on XRP's or on Ethereum's daily, but we've hit some sort of bottom here, and I very likely think we're either going to consolidate across or slowly start to head back up to retest all-time highs. All of these freaking cryptos have formed some sort of descending fractal, some sort of bull flag. They've all formed this sort of downtrend here and are trending within a descending fractal beautifully, I may say. Like, we have a very strong resistance and support on every crypto here, which is insane, including Bitcoin here. Bitcoin as well has fallen, hit a support. We've closed above it, which solidifies support. And here we are probably going to trend up either like this or consolidate across, retest resistance. And again, what we are waiting for conservatively is closure above this resistance for us to long to the upside. If that doesn't happen, let's be patient and wait. But we are oversold on pretty much every cryptocurrency, so it's just waiting for the confirmation to take place. QQQ has bottomed off as well. I mean, I was just talking to my dad this morning, which is funny, and we were talking about how we hit a low, and he's like, and I'm like, it's normal. This is good. There's nothing that screams to worry at this point. We are oversold, or we rebounded off oversold on the daily RSI, so we look good. We have been consolidating inside this descending fractal for a while now, and we have consolidated in these fractals for many, 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 many months, and it is no surprise. So this is a healthy pullback, a necessary one. We're at a very vital, strong support here, and what's more than likely going to happen is for us to do something like this. Very likely something along these lines will happen here. The off chance we break through this is going to be an extreme dump, 20% to the downside here. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but more than likely QQQ and the S&P 500 are rebounding very nicely. And as you can see in the past for the S&P 500, we have done nothing but, retest moving averages and rally up, retest moving average and rally up, retest moving average and rally up. So here we are yet again. No surprise, nothing abnormal except for the little bull trap we had, but we are retesting moving average and heading up. So we need a confirmed closure above yellow resistance, and then we can start to set all-time highs yet again. So I'm excited. Nothing at this point is a concern, except if we start to continue down, then we have a huge dump, which again is whatever. It'll just be buying opportunities. When can you get the stock market at 25% off? You can't. So we'll take advantage of that. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.